Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to start a voice call on Discord in just a couple of steps. Open Discord in your browser and click on the direct message conversation you want to call from the list on the left side of your screen. At the top right of the chat window, click the Start Voice Call button, the phone icon, and the voice call interface opens showing a Waiting for Voice Server status. Discord goes through several connection stages: connecting, authenticating, then RTC connecting. And after a moment, the call interface displays both user avatars, showing that the connection is being established. Once the status changes to voice connected at the bottom of the screen, your call is live and both participants can hear each other. If the call doesn't connect and you see an error, check that your browser has permission to access your microphone. Discord will prompt you for this the first time you call, but if you denied it previously, you'll need to grant it in your browser settings. You can start a video call instead by clicking the camera icon rather than the phone icon, or switch an ongoing voice call to video by clicking the camera button in the call controls at the bottom of the screen. To end the call at any time, click the red disconnect button. And that's how to start a voice call on Discord. Thanks for watching, hope this helped.